You are in control of every single aspect of your life. Most importantly, your happiness. Woe is me, victim mentality. No one owes you anything. I want to be a better person. I'm not going to let this situation make me sour. That is how the world can become a better place. So I'm just going to get right into it. Like, I don't even care about being perfect anymore. I'm not perfect, but I tend to really pride myself on my channel and the videos that I put out, so I always try to make them the best. Clearly, I am so unprepared, as you can see. It is a brand new video today. It's obviously a brand new video today, duh. But I'm just getting ready right now. I'm gonna meet up with my cousin. We're gonna go to Home Goods. I saw a lamp there the other day and I kind of regret not getting it. But I am just lightly like doing my makeup. I did a little bit of skincare. I just moisturized my face. I've been loving to do like less skincare. Less has seemed to have been more for me lately, and my skin is loving it. Like, holy cow. I'm 25 years old and I feel like I have pretty good skin. And I want to keep it that way. So it's all about moisture. Honestly, like, wrinkles are all about moisture. You guys, I literally had like a wrinkle right here, like a frown wrinkle, like just one. But anyways, I'm like going off topic. This is not what the video is about. I'm gonna try to just pick up my camera, open it up, and just start talking about things that I feel like resonate in the moment, or something that I'm feeling in the moment, something that I'm thinking. I just love sharing things that I feel like could help people. And I just feel like people are waking the fuck up. Like, it's kind of insane. People are starting to get sick of playing this like perfect role, because it'll catch up with you, let me tell you. Just be real from the beginning. Be real from the get-go. I promise you it feels a lot better because it's sustainable. It's your life. If people aren't happy with it, they can leave. I guarantee you though, 99% of the times people are gonna appreciate you for it more, because they will feel that they can relate to you, that they can be themselves around you. That's ultimately the kind of people that you want to attract in your life, that are real, not fake. At the end of the day, are in your life and care about you for legitimate reasons. I feel 2023 to be such an amazing year. I just dropped my powder. But yeah, as I was saying, I feel 2023 to be such an amazing year, full of so much growth, because let me tell you, 2022 was the year of learning, basically releasing all the toxic shit in our body and like just habits, releasing of people that aren't serving us anymore. At least that was for me. I feel like for me it was the year of friendships and really putting my foot down with friendships, because I'm such a diehard friend and I'm very proud of that. At the same time, it can backfire on me because I put up with a lot. It was just the year of me having to put myself first and realize that I matter too. I have to do that in order for me to make energetic room for the things that I desire to have in the future. And that doesn't necessarily mean with people, but just like things in your life, goals, dreams, whatever. You need to have the energetic space to allow these things to flow in your life, because if you don't, all of that is baggage. Negative energy is baggage, and it really creates like a bubble around you where it protects you or keeps everything at bay, even if it's good things. And that's the thing, is that, you know, bad things are gonna happen. Life just happens. It's just the outlook you have on the things that happen to you, and you have to realize that it'll be just a bad day, not a bad life. Things happen and then we move on and things get better again. I just wanted to get a little bit into what I feel like 2023 is going to be about. For me, like I said, I feel like it's going to be continuous growth. I have gotten really close to my faith lately. This past year, 2022, I've always believed in God. I've always prayed, spiritual, if you will. 2022 was really like a turning point for me when it came to my faith and relationship with God. It's pretty insane. and I've always been very intuitive, and I am a woman, so feminine energy is all about, you know, being in tune with your intuition. And I believe that your intuition is God. It's gotten a lot more heightened this last year, and I've had a handful of situations happen to me where I literally, like, my intuition is so on point. It's so funny because I feel like we say this every single year. You have to be optimistic, right? I genuinely feel that. I genuinely feel like 2023 is going to be filled with so many blessings, and the year is off to an amazing start already. Like, it is freaking rolling. I missed 2 weeks of YouTube, and I'm not gonna lie, you guys know I suck with my YouTube. The last 2 weeks, I'm just gonna be completely transparent, my SD card got full. The way that you're properly supposed to essentially delete content off of your SD card is by connecting your SD card to your computer, laptop, whatever, and, you know, deleting the files off of there. What am I doing? In order for your SD card not to corrupt, and I've had so many SD cards corrupt on me, I just got pretty lazy, and I was like, ugh, like, I just kept putting it off. I'm gonna make it a point to get like 2 SD cards. That way I don't have any excuse, because I have like been coming up with like video ideas, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's such a good video idea. Like I said, I want to start creating videos that bring value to your guys' life. I want to be able to connect with you guys on another level, like a more personal level. I want to build a community that is loving and supportive, and I want to give like advice from my standpoint and from the experiences that I have experienced. I don't want to say that I've gone through the most crap that anyone has, because everyone's experiences are different, and experience levels are different, but I'm just so connected to a higher power, you guys. I genuinely feel like I am a vessel from God, the universe, whatever you want to call it. All this energy and information can be passed on to you guys. I like to look at every situation from both sides and, you know, not make decisions, but just be open-minded about situations. I am supposed to be that like bestie, that big sister that you can come to and just lean on for support, and you know, push you guys to want to be the best version of yourselves. And I don't want that message to come out as like I am so magical and like special. Like, no, it's just that I also want to be the best version of myself. Yes, life happens to me too, and this is where it's different. This is where one person is different from another person. Both people go through life situations that are not ideal, but one person is like, I want to be better. I want to be a better person. I'm not going to let this situation make me sour, and I'm going to look at this as a learning lesson, or take the good from what's happened to me and just appreciate life more, right? That's like the ideal person. This other person, woe is me, victim mentality, oh my gosh, the world owes me everything, you know, like, we need to be better than that. No one owes you anything. You are in control of every single aspect of your life, including, most importantly, your happiness and your outlook on life. And so why can't we project that out into the internet more? That is how the world can become a better place, and that is my mission. I feel like my life purpose is to make the world a better place. I'm only one human being. I know I can't do it all, but as long as I contribute to that like community, and I feel like I have done what I am meant to do. So yeah, that is what is in store for my YouTube, what I have planned for my YouTube, the kind of plans that I have for my YouTube. I want to just do more relatable slash valuable content that, you know, you can just turn me on, whether you're cleaning, doing your makeup, or just doing something that like will make you feel like you can just listen to me. You don't necessarily have to watch me. I'm just going to like hype you up and like remind you of your power in this world, in this life. Let's get this ball rolling on 2023. I am so excited. I am so pumped. Please comment down below videos that you would like to watch. I have all these ideas come up in my mind to talk about, and I genuinely feel it's like a sign to do it for a reason, because there may be someone out there that needs to hear something. And so I'm just going to continue to listen to that and actually execute it. Hopefully, like, you appreciate this video for what it was. I know, like I said, it's not the best, but this is real life, and I feel like I need to start showing that a little bit more, because I'm not gonna lie, I do get caught up in like the whole perfectionist, like aesthetic side to content creating. But the kind of community that I want to build on here, we're all real people, we are all humans, we're not perfect. Yeah, we're all different in every single way, but we can all connect on the fact that we are humans, we all have feelings, and we all just want to be the best that we can be for ourselves. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.